Well, hello there, lovely listeners. Welcome to Come Hither with Heather. I am Heather from Aspire Vox, and we're going to be diving into the art of preparing for that nerve-wracking singing audition. Dun, dun, dun. First things first, practice makes perfect. Start early, start rehearsing those songs until they're absolutely embedded in you. Record yourself as well, and listen back to that, and really pay attention to the things you like, the things you could work a bit harder on. Okay, it's like you having your own personal vocal coach, to be honest. Next, you want to conquer those nerves. Okay, deep breaths, positive affirmations, and visualizing success. All those things can be your weapon against the anxiety you get coming up to auditions. Now, let's think about what you're going to wear. You need to pick an outfit that makes you feel like a star. Okay, what does good look like? Confidence begins with you looking the part, so don't skip this part, okay? Next up, don't forget to research the audition panel. So those people who are sitting in on an open audition or a closed audition, knowing what their preferences or their backgrounds are can give you a little bit of an edge. Okay, lastly, stay healthy. Remember, stay hydrated, get plenty of rest, and avoid dairy and caffeine. They're really important, the last two, because they can immediately affect your vocal cords. All right. Now, that's pretty much it. A wee crash course on audition prep. Okay, remember though, you're not just auditioning for a role, you are auditioning to share your beautiful voice with the world. Okay, thanks for joining me today on Come Hither with Heather. Until next time, break a leg, believe in yourself, and let your voice shine. This is Heather signing off. See you next time.